training or some online lectures where you can still with such a low cost we can still conduct. People don't need video. If they are able to see the presentation and hear the voice in clarity.
No. Yeah. No. In fact, I would like to summarize the whole thing into two things. One is called knowing. One is called knowing something.
Experience.
That is what the mock and all can do. You can know. I will give you the textbook. You will know the subject, no problem. Okay, but there is an opposite. Further to knowing is what is called implementing. Excuse me. Well,
Is it problem here?
it's charging. Keep this. Do you understand? There are two things. One is knowing, another is implementing. Knowing is possible through any media, but it is the implementation.
Because more experience.
That's why it's called practicals.
Yeah, that is what the experience is like any job. They need the experience.
Yeah.
Like not freshers, they don't take and become a project manager. You cannot because you have to come with it.
You may learn everything about that, but are you able to implement it? That's where we have to make that.
So you're talking about
No, he told electronic learning, distance learning, correct? They are for knowing the things. I want to know something, then I will know it, but whether I can implement it, at implement stage only you get doubts. That cannot be done on the fly. Do you understand? That's very costly. Nobody is going to show you how to work. They will tell you what the work is. And most of what is happening and they have already analyzed the MOOC as a training media. It can give you only additional knowledge, but basic knowledge can never be given by MOOC. Already you should know certain things. Then only you can go for that. But here we are talking about the establishing the foundations. Once you are in that foundation level, then you can go for mock and all these courses. Okay, that's where the difference is going to come. Now, coming to our basic understanding of the subject as of today, we have summarized that we are going to study in this 1 year span 300 years of knowledge of running the industries. We are going to take samples from the industry and we are going to study and dissect and then understand the anatomy and physiology of the organizations and try to conclude what the structure of the business is. So we are going to study structures. There is something called forum and a content. Two important concepts are there, you can note down. Okay? One is called forum and another is called form is your algorithm, template. Okay, like optimization algorithm. So it's like a form, skeleton. of the human body is a structure. The body is the form for that. Like that. We are going to study the business, the structure only. Here we are doing the anatomy. We are doing the business and finding the anatomy of the business. And then same anatomy can be useful to study other forms also. Now understood our methodology of the course we are going to adopt? We are going to study the structure and then or the content, and then you are going to give the forum for that in your own industry, your own area. We are adding the muscles, all the other things. So what is that we are studying here? We are studying the structure. We are studying the business structures.
Forum or
A form.
Form.
Okay? Nowadays, you see the structural engineering. First, they have simply built a structure and leave it.
Yeah.
Then somebody will going to do the interiors and give it a form for it.
And very customized.
So what is it we are going to do here? We are going to take businesses, study the structure of the businesses, and we can fill the forms. Whether it may be a bank, whether it is an automobile industry, whether it is Hindustan Lever,
Plug and play.
whether we are doing a software company, we are going to study the structure. Are you able to understand that? Now, how do you study something? You have boundaries, correct? You have boundaries set for studying anything. So, as far as marketing is concerned, we are going to study the marketing of any organization in some structured way. That structure we have discussed a bit of earlier. That is called 4P model. I think I have given you the handout.
Yeah.
You don't have a handout? I think I will send you soft copy. You keep this. Understood? We are coming to the core. Okay? So what we are studying is that you take up anything, anywhere, any company in the world, anything, we are going to compartmentalize into 4 major compartments. Okay? That's what we discussed yesterday. All of you are having the handout with you? Yeah? So this handout. So we have discussed, we have come to 4 P's of marketing. First, that day we discussed it, no? What is it? Product,
Price.
price,
Place.
Why? Because we wanted it to rhyme. Like a baby, like a, what do you call it, Baba black sheep, like that. Have you any wool? So, no, it should something not rhyme for us. So we are calling it as a 4P model. But afterwards, I think we have come to that level, correct? Then we have to discuss the 5th P, that's called people.
People.
Added to that,
Physical environment.
yeah,
Processes.
we add one more P, that's called people. Agree? Further to that, what all we have added now?
Seven.
I think all of you have gone through this.
Yeah, 7 piece
Yeah.
total.
That is, actually we expanded this into
But the 4 remains same. They are all
up to
adapted.
15 piece we expanded.
Yeah. The base will never change.
Yeah.
Four.
So, and this P is very important for us. There is the people. Okay. And on this side we had another piece. What are the other piece we had?
Politics. Politics.
Yeah, well, you read systematically there. 15 piece.
Probe, prioritize, profit,
Yeah, last one.
policy implementations. This is the title.
What are they?
Politics, probe,
One minute. One is politics. Okay, then
probe.
pro
Priorities.
priorities,
Profit.
Profit.
profit,
Performance.
Huh?
Performance.
performance,
Positive implementations.
positive implementations,
Plan.
plan,
Position.
positioning or position,
Positions.
position,
Partitioning. Partition.
partition,
Public relation.
public relation,
And people.
finally people. Correct?
But this will keep on changing. Like whenever the market reacts differently.
Yeah. See, this is no, like we say expansion and contraction.
Contraction will not be happening. It will keep expanding.
It will keep expanding, but depending on the your it's a single cellular animal, multicellular animal, complex animal, it expands. This is a hold on. That means if you say you are a marketing man, let me come to the fundamental question. You are the general manager marketing. That's where the cap of marketing general managers of our company. You are going to become the CEO of the company. Okay? You are a CEO of the company. How do you look out of the window? You have a window. Okay, you are a CEO. You are going to look out of the window. As a CEO, imagine CEO corner cabin. Azim Premji, somebody like that, no? So many people are there, no? Who are at the top. They look out of the window, Bill Gates, anybody for that matter. They look out of the window of their business. Suppose business. They look out of the window means they will be seeing these 15 small windows.
Right. And see how where we are lacking performance. Something cracking, then immediately act on something burning there.
15 windows are there in front of you as a CEO. Agree? You are going to see through 15 small windows your market. If I am running $1 billion like Cisco or Google, or not like that. Multinational companies. Fortune 500 companies, you all heard, no? Fortune 500 companies. What are Fortune 500 companies? Have you heard?
Fortune.
Now, what is that?
I think turnover is
Okay, that's correct. That is the
Billion, 4 billion.
meaning you get. But what is that Fortune 500 means what? What is that Fortune
it's a magazine.
magazine? So it's a business magazine. Fortune is a
Business.
better.
There is-
Whenever opportunity comes, you subscribe or you go to where some of the big libraries will have that Fortune magazine. FORTUNE. 2 magazines you must read during the course of this year. One is Fortune, no doubt, and another one is Harvard Business Review. Third one is The Economist. Okay? Jai,
Yeah.
you go through these things.
Yeah, sure.
If you go through these 12 editions and subscribe to this financial newspapers,
Economic Times.
Economic Times, okay, or Business Standard, then you will be having a connect with the other professors when they come and teach. Okay,
We usually follow economic.
Huh?
ET.
you follow.
Economic Times.
So you will be, you understand, you go through that newspaper, note down which are the words you don't understand in that. You will go through that, no? You don't understand some words. You note it down somewhere else separately and keep that vocabulary with you. If it's a finance related, the finance professor will explain to you. If it's a marketing faculty will explain to you. If it's the HR people will explain. So every word you speak, you should know the meaning behind it. That's how you are going to increase your vocabulary. Understood? So this Fortune magazine will publish every year a list of the 500 companies,
World Stock 500.
assets, turnover, manpower, performance, all these things will be listed in a increasing and decreasing order. If you figure in that list, you are supposed to be reaching some mark. How many Indian companies are there in Fortune 500 list?
Some
3 or 10.
We should find out the research.
500,
Okay?
there will be more, I think. More than 10 companies.
Last year, how many companies in India were in Fortune 500? Will somebody do the search and tell me next class?
Yeah. I will tell.
Okay? Which are the the companies which are listed in Fortune 500? Okay.
Reliance is there, I think.
ONGC, Reliance, State Bank of India.
SBI. Yeah.
So many, maybe the list is adding to that.
2-3 Navaratnas are also listed recently.
Like Indian Oil Corporation. So, that is it. So, if we are not studying a single cellular organization like Amoeba, we are not studying in this course a proprietorship company. Okay, we are not studying a restaurant. Okay, we are not studying a small timer trader. We are studying a complex setup here. The specimens we are studying are all complex. Otherwise, we don't get complex problems. Understood? So, if you are a CEO of a complex company, then you have to watch
50 leaders.
these 50. understanding? In that windows also, we are going to classify the window design into like this. How we are going to classify the how our window is designed? Suppose this is a window. Let our focus area be 4. 4 piece. Okay. Further we will have these small windows.
These 4 pieces are doing good, then we are okay.
Like we go to a doctor, he will take the vital parameters only first. Agree? BP, sugar, something, no? Fundamentals only he is going to blood, no? Hemoglobin. Vital parameters are only you are going to first check. So we are going to check all the companies that come under our radar. That is the task given to all of you. You take any company, your prospective employer, previous employer, your anything. Maybe he is a like a washing machine manufacturer or a car manufacturer, or like Maruti Suzuki is coming out with a new model, correct? The sedan, they are coming out in competition to Verna. Okay, cars or something like that. So you have to now analyze whenever you see any ad, print or television, you are going to look at that advertisement and try to understand what is the product, what is the price, what is the distribution channel they are using, what is the promotion they are using. It should become your habit. It should become your, for example, Motorola is coming out of this cell phone, correct? Yes, yesterday you must have seen.
Yeah. This new
Version is
cheapest version.
Okay. They say this product is available only in Flipkart.
Flipkart, that is you was speaking. Actually, Flipkart became famous because of those type of things. But people don't know, like there is no guarantee you will get the service. I mean, you are buying from a medium, but they give a guarantee we will service the product, but you don't find it near your house or something. So that is a risk you are taking, but still the product is not directly sold in India, but you will buy through some medium. And there is one new concept came. Some brands in US, when I was living there, it was a long time, so I used to use some brands. Those brands, actually, it is you don't get it here in local. So whenever I go abroad, after that also I was traveling. So whenever I go abroad, necessary things I'll buy and come. So one half of my suitcase will be filled for another 6 months or 1 year. I'll buy something. Now there is a site called iBhejo, IBHEJO. That website you can buy those products directly from there. Actually, they have some setup. I don't know how they manage the customs and all. I don't know, but they are. You can order. You can see the price. What is the product? All brands in US you can just buy from there. Just click on it. So that is the reachability. Somebody would have thought like
Exactly.
Is that iBhejo?
iBhejo, IBHEJO. But it is a very good. Because I want to buy it, it's very simple. Okay, I use the hair gel. It's one brand is very good, J. Crew. It's an American brand, very old brand, maybe it's 100 years old. It has a very fragrance, little bit fragrance. It will not too much this thing, but it will be very good on your hair. It will stick there. So I got used to that when I was living there. But I don't get it in UK. Even I tried in UK, I didn't get the product. And I tried in Dubai, I didn't get it. And in India, it's not available. Only once I saw in some big shop, like Spar Market or somewhere. It is very hard to buy. But now, when I go there, all the brands are there. So I can buy it, but it will take some time, 15 days. So that is the difference actually. But you are getting, maybe they may have to go through the customs or something. But the thing is how to attract the customer. But that is not available. So I can wait for 15 days or 30 days, not a problem. But if it is available in India, like Titan watch, I was about to go for a function. We thought of gifting a watch, Titan watch, to one that girl, her birthday. I think. It's a maid servant's birthday. So want to buy. We planned only in the afternoon. Evening we have to go. So I was searching in the like how to buy one. I was looking at the discounts. And I was getting, in Flipkart, I was getting a discount around 10% outside the market. So I was thinking, like, if I order, they can deliver in 6 hours or something. So because by callers, right? So they deliver it. That's a concept actually, attracts people. But if I would have planned the previous day, I would have got it by the same day or next day morning, and it's a guarantee I will go with the watch. Then I was thinking, like, I was just analyzing how to get it. But we decided this is the watch we are going to buy. And money this much, but I was looking for, okay, how to buy it cheaper. Flipkart was one medium. Then I was thinking, okay, it's too late to buy it from there. There's no guarantee. Maybe if they don't deliver by the same day, then if the shops will be closed here. So then I thought, okay, let me think. So I visited one of the Titan shop earlier, long time back. So I had a membership card also. I bought something and I got a card. Then I thought, okay, let me visit the shop. I went there. They had a discount 20%, and they applied my points, and it was cheaper. And I could see the watch directly, and I can buy it. Still, it was working out cheaper. 5% extra I will get from Flipkart, but that goes on their delivery. They will charge some money for delivery. So if you calculate that, it is the same price. But what I have to do is I have to walk to the shop or go by car, spend some petrol. It was very near, close to my house. I went there, feeling it. My wife was with me and she was seeing, because she was only gifting. I didn't go to the function. She wanted to do that. So you see it, whichever you like. Then she wore it on her hand. And she said, okay, this is fine, we finalized, and I paid the money. And she was happy. I dropped her in the house for the function, and she gave a gift. So, like the things, the needs are different. I mean, you will be in a hurry to buy, or you will look for more discount. If I'm in a hurry, and if I get it very cheap, it is a value for money. So I prefer that. So that is what our Indian mentality also. So we look for some cheaper. So these things has to be understood by our marketers. They knew it.
I am coming to the same point. You are a customer.
Yeah,
I am the product manager in Titan. Understood? I am the product manager in Titan. Something. And we classify the goods also. How do we classify the goods? Consumer goods, consumer durable goods, capital goods. How do you classify the products? Anil Kumar, write down. Yeah.
Goods, I understand.
Yeah. Consumer goods,
and capital.
consumer durable goods, capital products.
Capital production is enterprise, huh?
Yeah. Which are used in the production, not the final product. They become intermediary only. They are not end products. So consumer durable goods means, basically we have defined, it has got some life and after sale service is important. Consumer durable means after sale service is must. Consumable means no after sale service. Capital goods means long range capitalized goods. That means it figures in your balance sheet of the company. It figures in a balance sheet of it. It's an asset for it.
Oh, okay.
It figures in a balance sheet, machine, plant and machinery. Agree? But you buy some tea, coffee, no, it won't figure in your balance sheet. Revenue it. Understood? So now, as he was explaining to us, every word counts. He explained so many complex activities in his 5 minutes of narration, which is what the designers in the marketing will be doing that. Suppose you are heading a marketing department, you will be loving to hear a person talk like that.
So, yeah, this is how the business starts actually. You see the difficulties and maybe like after some
Understood
time-
how business idea. Flipkart, see how see it's not something great, something happening. Pain area, last minute purchase, Indian mentality to look for discounts. Okay, and touch and feel. Agree? All these things you are to grasp now.
and
Grasp it. Then how do you make it easy for the customer to do things? Reduce his pain areas.
You
How
can
makes
return.
things coming? So we got an idea. Now Amazon had already done it. 2000 itself Amazon did it from the books, correct?
Yeah, they did.
Amazon started with bookshop, if you remember correctly.
Kindle.
Books. First they wanted to give books only. Then they said, if I can do for books, why can't you do for things? But it required electronic cataloging things to mature. You can't see, maybe idea may be there. Sometimes no, our idea may be ahead of the time also.
Their software is unique. Actually, the search system and it had intelligence. That same software Flipkart they copied and they are using. Actually, they can sue them right now. Okay, 2 guys they worked there and long time back, maybe some 5 years back or 10 years back.
Yes.
They flicked that software and
They
they
worked in
started
the
the
IT
same thing.
department.
You can see both sites are same because Amazon has a web server. Everything is built in within that software. It has everything, the intelligence, everything. That is why it works in a different way. You go to any website, but Amazon is totally different. The same you will feel it in Flipkart. Whatever you visited, it will list in the bottom. So far you have visited. These are and whoever bought similar product or whoever bought, you will see it, and you can click on that. It will reduce your time for search. Those are the things.
Actually,
It's a business
Amazon
intelligence.
CEO John mentioned in his interview that he has come to that intuitive design of the UI when he considered the senior citizens of the country, that they cannot be like there cannot be a mess for the senior citizens and
Senior
kids.
citizens.
Kids.
So we talked about demographics, we talked about segmentation, correct? Segmentation. Different type of people, different segmentation.
Even kids and senior citizens also can select their items without any confusion. That
See,
is the
how
main
ideas are
idea.
coming. We asked it, no? So how to get a business idea? That was the main question, correct? Everyone is looking for it. One who has got an idea, first idea generation, then comes sourcing the funds.
Then opportunity you have to look for. Okay, here it will sell. My idea will sell it as
Ultimately, why we
sellable
are
amount.
doing all that? Why we are doing all that? To create jobs. To create
Jobs and you make money.
We are doing all these things because our main noble objective, let us have a very noble objective of creating jobs. So once you are able to get an idea translates into action, and action pervades everywhere, then jobs are getting created. Agree? This is the flow which we are going. So look at the, am I able to give you a big picture now? That whenever you are seeing anything from now onwards, you are going to see from these 4 compartments. Added to that, we have given you another 9 windows. This is applicable for bigger companies like Fortune 500 companies. That means even from a small petty shop owner will be seeing only from this point of view. If you are a 500 crore company, you may be seeing from this big window. If you are a 10,000 crore company, you will be seeing from
responsibilities are more.
No, your vision.
Vision and the responsibility.
Horizon.
Yeah, your vision should be so big. Clear? Shall we understand basically what are they fundamentally? At least you can go into your own understanding of the whole thing. What is the first one?
Politics.
Agree? Why politics is important?
Place by the
Frames the rules to the
Country of
that
where
country.
you want to sell. For
Standards.
example, Walmart. Recently, a lot of issues with the
Yeah.
Walmart should come.
FDAs,
What
FDAs.
Walmart comes, no? What happens to the Kirana shop?
It's still
Unemployment. Mamata Banerjee said, I don't want. Somebody said, I want.
the
You
FDA.
understand? So, the CEO of the Walmart or the regional head of the Walmart is more, in addition to this where to sell, how to sell, what is these things, he has to be aware of what is the political conditions.
That Ratan Tata's issue in Singur, recent issues.
Because it's a bigger company. Understood now? So you are going to see, he failed to see properly. Ratan Tata failed in that window, it was blur.
He didn't give more attention.
See that window when he saw opportunity. Understood? That was a hazy window. He went by only one parameter, that is what? West Bengal, industrially backward.
Want to improve it.
I want to improve West Bengal. Some government government is coming. That's all, one or two checklist, tick, 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 go ahead. But
It's a game done did by politicians, right? But
That you have to
we never estimate that.
but at
It's
the
a
end of the day,
risk.
who is paying the price for your wrong decision?
We are.
The shareholders and the stakeholders.
The decision is wrong.
Correct? The stakeholders who put money into your business, you cheated them by your wrong decisions.
These type of decision making, you should have a fallback mechanism. Like maybe he can just throw that piece and go invest in somewhere else. That's how people, if you have a backup
You understood
plan,
how each window is important for you? Okay? Be aware of that. Next. What is the other one?
Profile.
Probing. Probing means, investigation. How much market research you are going to do. Correct? That your market research window, test marketing. I have asked you, in my question paper, what is test marketing? I have not received any conclusive reply for that. Test marketing. Very, very important.
just launch it like a beta, test it, whether it will it be
Sample.
yeah,
Giving sample.
See, Tata Nano project, how costly error. Correct? Very
He
costly.
agreed.
Huh?
And I agreed that he failed in some areas.
he didn't
to-
probe it.
Now, you are a consultant. Now, let us come back to our original discussion. Why you are sitting here?
This,
To become advisors, not an employee. Understood? You are sitting here in the class not to get one improvement or promotion. You are going to now say which is the window which has blocking the vision. Suppose the window is somewhat blurred or packed, means you don't miss that much of information. Understood? Why we have to study marketing now? in a structured way. Understood? So you are going to advise your own self, your own company, no? You are going to advise your own company. You are a consultant for your own company, no? So you have to be careful whether you are considering all these factors. Probing, I told you, no? Test marketing. You should have a mechanism to do the test marketing.
But can someone, there is a chance to steal that idea during test market, because we are going with the test and we are revealing, because Nano is only on that day they revealed on the stage. They bring tires from some state, engine from some other state, and they assembled it on the stage. But suppose test market we could go, but how that is assured? Means it cannot be, before we launch it cannot be
It's a
stealed.
very responsible question you are asking. Very responsible, no?
Yeah, it is.
How
It's
do
a
you
risk
main-
actually.
How do you maintain that confidentiality?
Actually, I had seen in Bangalore, lot of test cars. They do the test drive. How they do, they mask the whole car.
Oh.
You don't know the product,
Oh.
what model, everything. But you will see the car around the area.
Oh.
That's what they do. But when they launch, really, before that they are testing actually for the road, the conditions. And they will launch at the time only, maybe after 6 months or 1 year. Till the time the vehicle will be running
With the
same
cloth on.
yeah. No, not cloth. The paint, everything will be like
Yeah.
the hazy type of
Looks
color.
different, but we don't know what,
Yeah, what
car
is
it
it?
is.
So,
Become
but
a
they-
challenge now. The confidentiality has become a challenge to even US.
That actually, that
Because of
also
this
they
Snowden,
captured.
Snowden and
There some like I had seen the television channel, like some auto review channel. One guy, one channel they showed once. This car is tested. This is how it looks like. They took a picture. So that also happened because it's a more every medium is like that, right? Now it's like how Modi won this election is media only. There's nothing else.
leaks,
Actually,
leaks to
it
media.
goes actually. You sit in the room, but with the computer itself, you will be able to know each and everything. You need an internet connection. That's all. So that's how the thing now.
Social media has influenced quite a lot.
Everything.
So are you able to understand, Pascal, let me tell you the importance of this, what we are trying to do. We should be visualizing things. This is one of the techniques which I want you to practice.
More practical.
Within quotes you write. Try to visualize. Okay? Try to form your mental picture. Okay? Try to visualize and get a mental form, in the mind. You should be able to create that vision in front of you. This is itself is a good technique by altogether. It needs to be practiced. Agree? You have to mentally visualize. These difficulties. Tomorrow. Confidentiality is one of the important things. You raised a very important, very responsible question we are going to address. Come back. First we are going to scan the horizon. How to scan the horizon of the whole thing. Because it's like we are sitting on a big top. No, like we are all observing the system in front of us and trying to get, okay, here is this one. Okay. Because now you can see some of the people are making money out of that. How to break the secrecy. That itself is become a business now.
Both
Reddy Labs formed like that. It's a government company who work there in the research department and from the medical. That's what I heard. I don't know how much truth it is.
But that's where the whole
Came
thing
outside and they make it as a product and because
No,
it's
coming to my own experience, I tell you.
Something.
See, watch manufacturing He was one of the very highly kept secret in the world.
So many parts together.
Only 2 countries in the world had that knowledge. Or in fact, only 1 country in the world had the knowledge of making watch. That was Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Only Switzerland people knew how to make those tiny watches.
Components.
Yeah. So they were ruling the market. Earlier watches means Switzerland.
Germany also.
Swiss made, yeah. Swiss made one.
Switzerland. Favor Loba, like Rolex, all these things. It was very confidential, secret. Somehow Japanese re-engineered and they could replicate it into Japan. So Japan became another small time player in watchmaking industry. Citizen, Japan. You know, Citizen brand, no? They copied one of the things of re-engineered and made one module, 020 module, caliber. Imagine the whole world they were monopolizing. Watch means you cannot go anywhere else. If you ask your fathers and grandfather, they will only have Swiss watches only. That was the confidentiality of the watchmaking. But India, when Japan, Nehru went to Japan, like Modi went to Japan now, no? He went to Japan, like that Nehru went to Japan about 30, 40 years back. And he said, I want to make watches. Please teach me how to make watch. Then he tied up a collaboration with the Citizen company and they came here and taught us how to make a watch. They gave us the drawings. They were good enough to teach us and we started manufacturing watches in the country and that's how HMT watches became so popular because we could make watch for 100 rupees. The Swiss watch was costing 500 or 600, we could make in India 100 rupees watch. Janata watch, you know. Have you heard Janata watch was popular at that point of time? Janata, Kohinoor, they were two brands. It was. So, but government company now, everyone is free to float. So when competition wanted, for example, JRD Tata wanted to start a watch factory. What he did,
Weakness.
simple.
He will find the weakness and just stop.
See, first of all is strategic thinking. And this is a class on strategy also. See, my classes go from strategy to marketing, marketing to strategy. So he thought best where to start, location advantage. He tied up with TIDCO, Tamil Nadu. So Tata has nothing to do with Tamil Nadu, correct? He came, then he found out in Tamil Nadu, Hosur, that were having industrial area. So he identified, he made a small agreement with this TIDCO, Tamil Nadu Industrial Development, some government agency, because no government of India should give permission, no?
Yeah.
And they know these government bodies how shabby they are. For them they write anything provided, no, they get their cut. So they had that, he got the license and he established next door to Bangalore, Hosur, border, correct? He got all the benefits of Tamil Nadu government. Power, no land, the water, no, all the concessions he could get and he could establish factory. He paid 10% more salary than HMT because you can't raise salary in HMT, you can't have negotiations. Like now what we have in software, no?
Yeah.
Each one is get negotiated. No, it's not like that, no? Even the MD salary is also known as chaparasi. Because pay slips are distributed by the peon only. Even the MD people also, he will give the same pay slip. For him also he will keep the same. All bundle will come from computer section and rubber band. So nothing confidential about it. So you can't, everything has to negotiate in Delhi. So you can't, so he immediately raised them. There's some Philips. And he hired the general manager of the factory. He hired the marketing director of HMT, I.K. Amita. Director of marketing watches HMT. Next day he is the director of marketing. Hari Rao, director, general manager HMT watch factory, general manager production in Titan. Dwarkana, design engineer in HMT, design engineer in Titan.
They know the business.
So it is nothing but one more watch factory. And they started production. That's how confidentiality is lost. Will any competitor will allow? No. He will hike up. How much I give you? 10%. I will give you 20%. He has a negotiating power. Here government don't have negotiating power on one-to-one basis.
Even if it goes, actually sustaining is an important thing. HMT would have sustained by doing something different, but they didn't do it because it's a government.
Again, that's why confidentiality. And many of the drawings went there. Many of the toolings went there. Tool drawings, that's very important, no?
Knowledge transfer.
How to make the tool is very important, correct? Tooling drawings went there, tooling people went there, everything. So you became, then they become the complainant. The biggest problem which I want to tell all of you is that, like you, they took away our distribution network. I had established about the HMT means 8,000 watch retailers in the country, 8,000 outlets.
Okay.
It's extremely difficult to establish a marketing network. I can establish a factory, like a land, building, machinery, I can place order, people can supply, everything is here. But the difficult thing is to reach the customers physically. I can advertise in paper also, but when you walk in, the product should be available there, no? Physically. That's where place, distribution. You are asking, no, place. Place is nothing but distribution. I should have called this as a D, in fact, as you told correctly, no? Distribution, but because I am like, like a lullaby, no? Mary had a little lamb.
Easy to memorize.
That's why we call it as a place. So they took away for all the distributors paying 1 or 2% extra discount. Traders are ready, correct? What loyalty they have. Everybody wants to earn more money, correct?
Yes, margin.
So, trade. So traders, they vacated HMT shelf space. They gave Titan shelf space. When you walk in, HMT watch is not there, Titan watch is there. So you know how the confidentiality, my discount structure is open to you.
Yes.
My pricing is open to you. My pooling and technology is open to you. Everything is open for you. Now where is the confidentiality? And then moreover, do you know how it's we have undergone that pain. That's why I am telling you that. Some of the MPs are there in the parliament. They have got the privilege to ask questions. Member of the parliament. They can ask any question regarding government. They used to take money from